For 2022, the game-changing Toyota Mirai continues to showcase what it means to be a seriously smart fuel cell electric vehicle. This second-generation sedan is powered by Toyota's most advanced alternative fuel technology, which turns hydrogen into electricity to drive the wheels. This means extended travels without smog or harmful tailpipe emissions. The only byproduct is water. As an added bonus, there's no charging required. That's just one part of Mirai's incredible story. Look closer and you'll find premium styling and design combined seamlessly to deliver a truly distinctive driving experience that's backed by enhanced range and performance. And it's available in 2 grades, XLE and Limited. Let's take a closer look at this future-forward vehicle. Mirai's stylish look is more aerodynamic and sculpted than the previous generation, thanks to its distinct design philosophy that evokes a sense of elegance and motion from every angle. This luxury sedan architecture provides a long wheelbase and a lower, wider stance that doesn't just look great, but also helps enhance driving dynamics. And these sleek, flowing proportions are complemented perfectly by Mirai's standard 19-inch and available 20-inch alloy wheels. This dynamic styling inspires drive performance with just one glance. Mirai takes no shortcuts when it comes to the interior experience. With this stylishly refined yet simple layout centered around a futuristic instrument panel and center console, Mirai's inviting cabin seats 5 passengers in spacious comfort, which is further boosted with its available heated and ventilated, perforated, Softex-trimmed front and rear seats on the Limited grade. Plus, this soft-touch environment also features a wide array of conveniences like standard dual-zone climate control and available 3-zone climate control with a separate digital control panel for rear occupants, as well as a dual fixed panoramic view moonroof with power sliding sunshade on Mirai Limited. And since this is an alternative fuel vehicle, Mirai's comfortable cabin is also an impressively quiet place to be. First, the entire lineup comes with a premium audio multimedia system featuring a vibrant 12.3-inch touchscreen and 14-speaker JBL sound system. And that's just the start. Looking closer at Mirai's tech features, Apple CarPlay compatibility is standard, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's voice service just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And while you can easily get lost in all that content, you don't have to worry about losing your way on the road thanks to available Destination Assist, which offers 24-hour access to a live agent who provides directions through the vehicle's navigation system. Of course, it wouldn't be a Toyota if Mirai didn't keep everyone connected with standard trials to a great selection of connected services, which include Safety Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, Service Connect, and Remote Connect. Plus, a dedicated 24/7 concierge service specific to Mirai is also included. Mirai rounds out its convenience story with loads of other high-tech amenities, including a standard smart key system, 4 USB ports, an available head-up display, and standard Qi wireless smartphone charging. Just like with its advanced convenience technology, Mirai delivers bold innovation with its safety features, and it all starts with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus. Standard on both grades, this active safety suite includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, as well as lane tracing assist, which helps keep Mirai centered in its lane while DRCC is operating, and road sign assist, which is designed to recognize and display certain traffic signs. Naturally, Mirai's passive safety features are equally impressive, which can be seen in its array of 8 airbags mounted throughout the cabin. And the safety surrounding Mirai's powertrain is just as comprehensive, with an enormous amount of care going into ensuring strength and reliability in its hydrogen tank system. It should go without saying that Mirai's emphasis on technology is just as evident in its Toyota fuel cell system. At the core of Mirai is a hydrogen-powered fuel cell. This might sound complex, but the way it creates power is actually pretty simple. Hydrogen is fed from Mirai's fuel tanks into the fuel cell stack, where it mixes with oxygen from the air entering from the intake grill. This causes a chemical reaction that creates electricity. This electricity then drives the electric motors, which deliver impressively responsive on-demand power. But the real story might be its improved range compared to the previous generation. An estimated 30% increase on the XLE grade. The second generation Mirai enjoys this astounding jump in practicality thanks to its variety of fuel cell performance improvements and increase in hydrogen capacity across its 3 high-pressure storage tanks. Plus, mile for mile, this new powertrain has an EPA estimated fuel rating that's more than twice the efficiency of a typical gas vehicle. But perhaps most importantly, it has these estimated fuel ratings while still offering a more powerful and engaging driving experience than ever before, thanks in no small part to its rear-wheel drive layout and independent rear suspension. Powered by the latest fuel cell technology and wrapped in a premium design, the 2022 Mirai makes it easy to capture the dream of a more sustainable future. And don't forget, there's the added ownership benefits. Mirai receives potential government incentives like HOV lane access and tax credits as high as $4,500 for eligible California residents. And when it comes to added benefits from Toyota, Mirai comes with complimentary fuel for 3 years or $15,000, whichever comes first, 21 days of rental car service, an enhanced 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, and an enhanced 3-year, 35,000-mile Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance for 3 years and unlimited mileage. Across the board, Mirai clearly demonstrates what it means to be a vehicle designed for a smarter future. And this should come as no surprise, since Toyota is already well known as a pioneer of advanced technology.